What the hell is that? Unfiltered, uncut. Can you change your Pitman arm without taking the steering box out? Yes, but it's a pain in the butt. You gotta kind of cheat it. We got this wrench on there, we got the center link dropped. We're gonna stick this wrench on the end for some leverage, so stay tuned.
They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines. From the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies in penitentiary. Night sky on my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy. Walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Cool like hella cloudy. At a poison ivy. But from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me. No, I'm staring in the mirror. He claim me the goodness to shy. But timid the riddles.
I didn't get me cracking it loose, but it did work. So we got the Pitman arm coming off of the Silverado, which is the last part we have to do. I got the idler assembly on the other side of the truck. The tie rods are ready to go back in once we get that Pitman arm off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to take 3 bolts out, and I'm just gonna move the steering box off to the side so that I can get the puller on it. The center link's already dropped because we have the tie rods off. I'm not going to completely take the steering box out of the truck. I'm not gonna disconnect the steering shaft or the power steering lines. We're just gonna bump it to the side enough so that we can get the puller on it. So I'll bring the puller home tomorrow and we'll get that off of there, and I'll show you how that works in a future video. But as I said, this is going to be the last side project that we do, and then we are going to finish the garage and get back to the Celica. I went on a spontaneous trip this weekend to Itasca State Park. Super interesting trip. There were a lot of really cool roads that I took the Celica down, so I'm gonna insert a couple clips of that right here. One thing I did want to do in this short little video today is give away the final of the first 3 mystery boxes. So this one is going to go out to Mr. Wolfsburg, who I believe is somewhere in Europe. So I might hate myself when I ship this, but Mr. Wolfsburg, all you got to do, message me on Instagram, same name and everything, shift, wrench, repeat. We'll get some contact information from you and send out that mystery box. Coming up, we're going to have a video on a new line of wrenches from Icon that I purchased, so stay tuned for that video. I'm going to tell you all about how it helped me on this Chevy Silverado project that I'm working on. We're working in the driveway on jack stands, so these particular wrenches helped us a lot, and we'll get a full-on comparison with some similar Mac wrenches that I have once we get to that point. So thank you again, guys, for being patient with us. Like I've said again and again the last few videos, we got a lot of crazy stuff coming to the channel. We'll get a full service lift in here. This will all be organized. My steel building's going up, driveway's going to be poured, and then we will get back to some more enthusiast type stuff. So thanks for tuning in for this short little update video. Drop a like down below if you enjoy the content, you want to see more on the Celica and eventually on the Fox body. Big things coming to the channel, you guys, so if you can drop a like on this video, it really helps me out. Subscribe and hit that bell if you have not already. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.